Am I visible now?
Yes, yes. Where is other students?
They are from their room. They are logged in already. Kinda is there. Pauline is there.
No.
Yes, Kinda is there. Pauline is
Yeah,
there.
yeah, Kinda is there.
Kinda and Pauline is there. Others will be maybe shortly joining. Just
Okay.
now we are coming from the class.
Okay, okay. So let us begin the class. Sit in any comfortable position. Everybody is fine? Kinda ma'am, are you okay? Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Jnana Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचाम मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओ join your both palm together in front of heart center.
You can do some sunbathing. Yeah. But don't know where.
Put down your head.
We don't know where.
Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently, while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Miraya ma'am.
Yes, sir. Good morning. So sorry, sir.
Morning. You are late.
Yes, sir. So actually, in my tab, Zoom was not working, so now I'm using my phone.
Okay, okay. No problem. So we learned cranial bones yesterday. Am I right? We learned cranial bone yesterday. Today we are going to learn about facial bone. Facial bone. FACIAL. Facial bones. Write down. There is 14 in number facial bones. 14 in number. 14. In number facial bones that forms the face. That forms the face. The first bone is mandible. Mandible, our chin bone. Mandible, MANDIBLE, mandible. It is the lower jaw bone. Lower jaw bone. It is the lower jaw bone. And the only movable bone in skull. And the only movable bone in skull. It is the strongest bone of human body. Mandible is the strongest bone of human body. No bone is so stronger as mandible. And it is single movable bone in skull part. Second is maxilla. Second bone, maxilla. There is two maxilla bones, MAXILLA. MAXILLA, maxilla. These are the upper jaw bones. Upper jaw bones. Upper jaw bones. JW. And present 2 in number. Third one is zygomatic. Zygomatic. ZYGO. ZYGO. MATIC. ZYGOMATIC. Zygomatic. Zygomatic bones present in pair, and those are cheek bones. Cheek bones. CHEEK. Cheek bones. Next one is palatine bone. Palatine bones. PALATINE. PALATINE. Palatine bones. Palatine bones present inside the nasal. Inside the nasal cavity. And it forms lateral wall of nasal. Lateral wall of nasal. This wall. It forms lateral wall of nasal. Kinda ma'am, what happened?
Nothing. I'm just pointing.
Okay. You are outside the school?
No, I'm at the Bali Yoga School. I'm just
Okay.
sitting outside.
Okay. Next bone is lacrimal. L-A-C-R-I-M-A-L, lacrimal. L-A-C-R-I-M-A-L, lacrimal. It forms lacrimal duct. It forms lacrimal duct from eye to nostril. From eye to nostril. It gives the passage. It gives the passage to tears. It gives the passage to tears from eye to nostril. Okay. When we crying, when we weeping, more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes, then tears come through nostril, through lacrimal duct. Next bone is nasal bone. N-A-S-A-L. Nasal bone. Nasal bones form nasal bridge. Nasal bones form nasal bridge. Next bone, inferior nasal conchae. I-N-F-E-R-I-O-R. Inferior N-A-S-A-L nasal conchae. C-O-N-C-H-A-E. C-O-N-C-H-A-E. Conchae. Inferior nasal conchae. It moist the air and present in pair. It present in pair means 2 in number. Inferior nasal conchae. It moist the air before going inside. It moist the air before going inside. Clear? And the last bone is vomer. V-O-M-E-R. That is single bone. Vomer. Vomer forms nasal septum. It is divider of left nostril and right nostril. It forms nasal septum. Clear? So there is only
Sir, sorry. Vomer bone forms nasal what?
septum. S-E-P-T-U-M.
It's a divider of what, sir?
Left nostril and right nostril. It is divider of left nostril and right nostril, means it is the middle portion of our nostril. The divider.
Okay.
Clear? Rajeshwari ma'am.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. So there is 14 bones. 2 bones are single bones. Which bone? One mandible and one vomer. Rest all bones are in pair. Maxilla is in pair. Zygomatic is in pair. Palatine bone is in pair. Lacrimal ducts are pair. And nasal bones are pair. Inferior nasal conchae are in pair. All bones are in pair except mandible and vomer. Clear? Any question?
So total only 12 bones?
No,
But
14
you
bones.
told 14.
14. Count.
You told
Mandible.
vomer is one single bone and mandible is single bone.
Yeah, mandible is single, vomer is single.
The others are pairs, right?
Others are in pair. Maxilla
So-
2, mandible 1, and vomer 1.
mandible
There
one.
is, yeah, 2 bones. Maxilla 2, 2 to 4 plus 2 zygomatic 6, 2 palatine 8, 2 lacrimal 10, 2 nasal 12, and 2 inferior nasal concave 14. Clear?
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. Next point, write down function of facial bone. Function of facial bone. It provides cavity. It provides cavities for our 4 sense organ. It provides cavities for our 4 sense organ. Which 4 sense organ? Eyes, nose, ear, and tongue. Okay. It provides cavities for our 4 sense organs. It protects facial structure.
So you said provides cavity.
Yeah, cavity. Look here. This is eye cavity.
Okay.
Eye cavity.
Yes.
Bones provide cavity for our sense organs. Eye cavity, nasal cavity. This is nasal cavity. And here between maximal and mandilla, there is cavity for tongue. And here is ear cavity. Clear?
Yes.
It protects facial structure. It protects facial structure and provide attachment for facial muscles. And provide attachment for facial muscles. Next function, teeth are embedded, embedded in maxilla and mandible. Teeth are embedded in maxilla, that is upper jaw, and mandible, that is lower jaw. That helps in chewing. That helps in chewing and cutting. chewing. Clear?
Sorry, can you just, each are embedded? What was the word? What is embedded in maxilla that helps in chewing?
Mandilla, the upper jaw bone. And mandible, not maximal, maxilla and mandible. Sorry, maxilla and mandible. Maxilla is upper jaw and mandible is lower jaw. Clear? Which bone is the movable bone?
Jaw,
Which jaw?
mandible.
Yeah,
Mandible.
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 Mandible. Yeah, lower jaw. Now write down next topic. Middle ear bone. Middle ear bone. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Middle ear bones, malleus, incus, and stapes. So write down middle ear bone, also known as auditory ossicles, AUDITORY, auditory ossicles, AUDITORY, OSSICLES, auditory ossicles. These are 6 bones. These are 6 bones, 3 bones each side, 3 bones left side and 3 bones right side. These 3 bones are, first one is malleus, MALLEUS, malleus,
Incus.
MALLEUS, malleus. Second is incus, INCUS, incus. And third one is stapes, 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 malleus, incus, and stapes.
Last one, can you spell again, sir, please?
STAPES, STAPES. Rajeshwari ma'am, you are from Bali or you are from India?
I am from Bali, sir. Actually,
Okay.
originally I am from India.
Okay,
I'm staying in Jakarta. Now I am attending the Bali Yoga School.
okay, okay. So last bone is stapes, STAPES. And stapes is the smallest bone of human body. Stapes is the smallest bone of human body. Which one is the longest bone?
Femur.
Yeah, femur. That is thigh bone. Write down the function of middle ear bone. Function of middle ear bone. It helps in transmission. It helps in transmission and sound vibration. It helps in transmission, TRANSMISSION, and sound vibration. Sound vibration, VIBRATION, sound vibration. Next point. Next topic is hyoid bone. HYOID. HYOID. Hyoid bone. Hyoid bone lies below mandible. It lies, LIES, lies below mandible. Mandible is our chin bone. It lies below mandible and above larynx. Above larynx. What is larynx? LARYNX. Larynx. Larynx is voice box. Our voice box is larynx. Here, this portion. Its location is below mandible and above larynx. Rajeshwari ma'am, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is tongue bone. Tongue bone. That shape is horseshoe shape. It is horseshoe shape bone. HORSE, horse. Horseshoe shape means like U shape.
Oh yeah, horse shape.
Yeah, horseshoe shape bone. Write down function of hyoid bone. It provides attachment. It provides attachment for base of tongue. It provides attachment for base of tongue and muscle of floor of the oral cavity. And muscle of the floor of the oral cavity. It provides attachment the base of tongue and muscles of the floor of oral cavity. Second function, it controls opening and closing. It controls opening and closing of airways and gut. Airways and gut. What is gut? GUT?
Stomach.
Food pipe. Food pipe. It controls opening and closing of airways and food pipe. Airways, that is trachea. Clear? Any question? So now we completed our first part of axial skeleton, that is skull, divided into two parts, cranial and facial. And next one is middle ear bones. After that, hyoid bone. Now we will move. Yes.
The last one you told the function, second function of hyoid bone.
Yeah,
It controls opening and closing of airways or
Airways.
earways. Ear or air.
air, A-I-R, airways.
Okay. Okay,
Means
sir. Okay, sir.
our respiration.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Airways and food pipe. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any other question? No. So now we revise once again skull part, and tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Monday we will start vertebral column. So how many bones in cranium?
Cranium, 14. Less
Cranium
than
14. No. How many bones in cranium? Facial have 14.
how many bones in the-
How many cranial bones are there?
22.
No, that is in skull. Total bones.
How many bones?
8 bones. How many bones?
8.
8 bones. First one is frontal. First one is frontal, that is single bone. Second is parietal, paired bone. It forms the roof of cranium. Third one is occipital bone. It forms the base of cranium. Fourth is temporal bone, that forms the sides of the cranium. Temporal bones in paired, upper side of ear. And next one is sphenoid bone, that is butterfly shaped bone, and it found below side of cranium, means beneath of cranium.
Excuse me,
Back
sir.
side. Yes.
Yesterday, actually, we stopped with there are two groups like cranial bones and facial bones. That's it.
Yes, yes.
We didn't see the cranium bones, how many bones are there, and the explanation we didn't see, sir.
Yeah, that I repeat that part only.
Oh, you are now explaining that one.
Yeah, I repeat that one. Full skull part. Cranial bones are 8 bones. First one, frontal, our forehead bone. Second is parietal. It forms roof of cranium. Third, occipital. It forms base of cranium. Fourth, temporal. It forms side of cranium. Temporal bone, upper side of ear. Next, sphenoid, that is butterfly shaped bone. And next one is ethmoid, that helps to form orbital cavity, that is eye cavity. Clear? Rajeshwari ma'am?
Sir, cranial, I am still confused, sir.
Again confused? First is frontal. First is frontal, our forehead. Okay?
Okay.
Second is parietal, upper side of head. Clear?
Okay.
Parietal, parietal bone. There is 2 bones, upside 2 bones, divided in middle.
Okay.
2 bones are parietal bones. Parietal bones
Okay.
present in pair. Third one is occipital, backside and downside, backside and downside. Occipital, OCCIPITAL. That is single bone. Clear?
Okay.
Occipital. Next is temporal. That forms side of cranium, both sides,
Okay.
upper side of ear.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
Next one is sphenoid. That is not visible, but that is butterfly shaped bone inside the skull, inside the cranium region.
Okay.
And next one is ethmoid, ETHMOID, ethmoid bone that helps to form orbital cavity, our eye cavity.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Now clear?
Very clear, sir.
Yes. And there is one large opening. One big opening is there below the skull, inside the cranium. That is foramen magnum, from which brain is continued with his spinal cord. Here is a hole. The name of that hole is foramen magnum. If you find any hole in bones, that known as foramen in anatomical term. Foramen means hole in the bone. Clear? And
Yes, sir.
today we learned about facial bones, middle ear bones, and head bones. Now your next class at 11:15. 11:15 or 11:45? Now 11:45 now. There is
Yeah.
11:45. So 1 minute is left.
Yeah.
Okay. So let us close the session
Oh, sorry. No, our next class is at 12.
at
I don't
12.
At 12.
11:45, Kinda. It's
Oh,
11:45.
11:45.
Sorry,
Not
sorry.
12.
It was-
Okay. So you have 1 minute, only 1 minute time. So let us close the session. Sit in any comfortable position. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 1 time Om. 3 Shanti together. Om. शांति शांति शांति. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an edge. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you.
We will meet again on Monday. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.